And being able to say to the clients, look, I've built a team that has multiple generations in it. My name is Darren Coleman. I'm a senior portfolio manager with Raymond James, and I've been with the firm for 12 years. I'm one age. I have another group of staff or people on my team that are 10 years younger than me, and another group that are 10 years younger than them. And the goal of that is that we'll be able to say to clients, look, we'll be with you as partners on your journey for a long, long time. And I hope that the team will far outlive me in being able to serve as clients. So one of the things I've been really pleased about with my team is that I've been able to attract people that have incredibly good skill sets in their unique capability, whether it's on portfolio management or administration or financial planning. I've really been able to get the best people in the industry to come and work with me. And they've been recognized as experts in what they do. And we've been able as a team to get some very good accolades within the industry, which is nice. But I think more importantly, our client relationships have lasted a long time. We have clients that I've worked with back from when I first started 30 years ago. So I think that's really the testament to the success, is that we've been able to make a difference for people in their lives, and they've stayed with us and allowed us to keep supporting them in their journey.